Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Hello drivers and DIY enthusiasts. A broken car window can be an unexpected hassle, but knowing how to temporarily cover it can help protect your vehicle. In this step-by-step guide, we're walking you through the process of temporarily covering a broken car window. Join us as we explore simple yet effective methods to secure your vehicle and keep it protected until proper repairs can be made. A step-by-step guide to temporarily covering a broken car window. Are you dealing with a broken car window and in need of a temporary solution? Whether it's due to an accident or vandalism, a broken car window can be a major inconvenience. In this video, we will discuss the proper steps to take to cover a broken car window as a temporary solution. Please give us a comment, like, share and subscribe to our channel. Many thanks in advance of you doing so. From materials needed to step-by-step instructions, you'll learn how to protect your vehicle until a more permanent solution can be arranged. Assessing the damage, safety precautions. When dealing with a broken car window, it is crucial to prioritize safety. Begin by putting on gloves to protect your hands from any sharp edges or glass fragments. Additionally, wearing safety goggles will shield your eyes from potential debris while inspecting the damage. Evaluating the extent of the damage. Start by carefully examining the broken window to determine the extent of the damage. Look for any cracks, chips, or shattered glass. Take note of the size and location of the damage, as this will impact the temporary solution you choose. Assessing the damage thoroughly will help you make informed decisions moving forward. Gathering materials necessary, tools and supplies. When it comes to covering a broken car window temporarily, having the right tools and supplies on hand is crucial. Start by gathering a few essentials, such as a pair of thick gloves to protect your hands from sharp edges, a roll of heavy-duty tape, and a large piece of plastic or tarp to use as a temporary cover. Additionally, consider having a utility knife or scissors for cutting the plastic to the required size. Choosing the right temporary cover. Selecting the appropriate temporary cover for a broken car window is essential to ensure protection from the elements and maintain visibility while driving. Opt for a thick, clear plastic sheet or tarp that is large enough to completely cover the window opening. The material should be durable enough to withstand wind and rain, providing a temporary barrier until the window can be properly repaired. Applying the temporary fix, cleaning the area before applying a temporary cover on your broken car window. It's essential to clean the area thoroughly. Start by removing any remaining pieces of glass to avoid injury. Use a vacuum cleaner with a hose attachment to carefully suction any loose glass particles from the window frame and surrounding area. Next, wipe the area with a damp cloth to remove any remaining debris or dirt. Ensure that the surface is completely dry before proceeding to apply the temporary cover. Securing the temporary cover. When securing the temporary cover over the broken car window, ensure that it completely covers the opening. Use a clear plastic tarp or a plastic garbage bag to provide a temporary barrier against the elements. Start by measuring the dimensions needed to cover the window and cut the material accordingly. Use strong tape to secure the cover in place, ensuring that it is taut and does not flap in the wind. If necessary, use multiple layers of the plastic tarp to enhance durability. Sealing the edges. To prevent any moisture or debris from seeping through the temporary cover, it's important to seal the edges effectively. Utilize weatherproof tape, such as duct tape or heavy-duty packing tape, to seal the edges of the plastic tarp or garbage bag securely to the car's window frame. Press the tape firmly to create a tight seal. This will help to minimize the risk of water, dust, or debris entering the vehicle through the broken window. Regularly check the temporary cover to ensure that it remains intact and reseal any loose edges promptly. Ensuring visibility and functionality. Testing the temporary cover. When dealing with a broken car window, it's crucial to ensure that the temporary cover you're using allows for visibility and functionality. Start by testing the cover to see if it provides a clear view through the rear view and side mirrors. Test the window up and down to ensure it does not obstruct visibility or impede the functionality of the window mechanism. Adjusting for visibility and safety. Adjust the temporary cover as needed to ensure maximum visibility and safety. Use materials that are transparent and sturdy, such as clear plastic or vinyl. Ensure that the cover is securely fastened to prevent it from flapping or obstructing the driver's view. Prioritize safety by making sure the cover does not compromise the structural integrity of the vehicle or pose a hazard in the event of sudden stops or collisions. Seeking professional assistance for a broken car window is crucial for ensuring a safe and effective solution. Temporary fixes have limitations, and scheduling a repair appointment with a professional is the most reliable course of action. Understanding the limitations of temporary fixes. When dealing with a broken car window, it's essential to understand that temporary fixes, such as using duct tape or plastic sheets, are just that, temporary. These solutions may offer a quick fix to keep out the elements or deter theft, but they are not long-term solutions. They can deteriorate quickly, leaving your vehicle vulnerable once again. Professional assistance provides a permanent and reliable fix that ensures the safety and security of your vehicle. Scheduling a repair appointment. Once the temporary measures are in place, the next step is to schedule a repair appointment with a professional auto glass repair service. Prompt action is necessary to avoid further damage or safety risks, so it's important to secure a repair appointment as soon as possible. Professional technicians have the expertise and tools to assess the damage accurately and perform the necessary repairs or replacements, restoring the integrity of the car window. Seeking professional assistance not only guarantees a permanent solution, but also ensures the safety and security of your vehicle and its occupants. In concluding this video, we agree that properly covering a broken car window as a temporary solution is crucial for ensuring the safety and security of both the vehicle and its occupants. By following the recommended steps and using the appropriate materials, such as duct tape and plastic sheeting, drivers can effectively protect their vehicles from the elements and deter potential theft or vandalism. It is important to address the broken window as soon as possible to avoid further damage and inconvenience. Taking the necessary precautions in this situation will help minimize the impact of the damage and maintain the overall functionality of the vehicle. Thank you for exploring our step-by-step guide on temporarily covering a broken car window. By following these methods, you're better prepared to protect your vehicle from the elements and potential theft. Stay tuned for more insightful automotive tips and quick fix solutions. Remember, a temporary cover can provide immediate protection for your car until permanent repairs are arranged. Drive safe and keep your vehicle secure. Please don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.